team's finished, and all the players, congratulations, and... Oh, joy to luck.
Nice one.
Thank
Hey
you.
guys, how you doing? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So my name's Elizabeth. Gotta be the next hosting. Woo! Hey. Let's do this. Nice one, enjoy. 2 times 10, stop just giving it. Woo! Beautiful. Go, Elizabeth. Go, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, busy. Go, busy. Ah! Crazy time. Let's go, baby. Wow, what was that? Straight away with crazy time? Ooh, it's getting hot in here, so hot. Let's go. Woo! Hey. Welcome back, everybody. Woo! Alright, here comes the fun times. We're in the craziest place in the world. It's our decision time. Green, blue, or yellow fluffer. You have to decide right here, right now, loves. Make a decision. Let's go for double circles. If you cannot decide, auto pick is a team as well. Are you ready? So, must we decide the blue fluffer maximal by 100. Let's go! Woo! And we got double for blue, 10 for green, 20 for the yellow. Let's double each one of the segment. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hi! Maximal by 200x, baby! Woo! 200x! Woo! 1,366 minutes, we got it! Aye!
So, because of that, since, I do play games on PS, I don't really have a need for Discord, you know what I mean? Ladies and gentlemen, good luck, have fun, enjoy, let's go. Please hit the top spot, boss. I'll see what I can do. 3x and crazy time. Fried noodles flavor, that's the most... Okay, GS. Once again, I mean, I will have some time off starting soon, so I will look into that. Now, that is quite nice, ladies and gents. That is quite nice. I like that. Top slots, bonus rounds, both coming together. Love to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, come along. We will be doing this thing right now. Well, how about that? Crazy time and the top slot. Love to see it. Cheers, boss. Could not have done it without you, baby. Could not have done it without you. So, radio, welcome. Here's the multipliers. But wait, there's more. 3x. Making things a lot better. Look at that. Nice. But okay, ladies and gents, that aside, here comes the decision-making time. Green, blue, yellow. Hey, you tell me. Listen to your heart. Go with the one that you have to go for. Right? That's the right through one. That makes sense if you really think about it. Well, either way, time's up. Decisions have been made. 300x maximum. Wishing you the best of luck. Let's go. Oh, you love to see that. 300x on the blue flapper coming your way. Congratulations. Well,
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.